Hi you guys, welcome back or welcome to my YouTube channel. So I have a quick and easy tutorial that you can do on either your twist, your locks, your box braids, whatever you would like. And sorry, that's my chair squeaking. But anyway, I found like this little cute hairstyle that you could do that's really quick and easy. It's like a little bow, and I know that bows have been trending because y'all, Hello Kitty is just that girl. Like, she's just that girl, and her bows, she know what she be doing. So I found out a way that you can make a bow out of box braids, and there's a bun way, but I'm still trying to get used to that, like trying to get used to how to, you know, maneuver that and figure that out. So that might be a tutorial later, but I'm going to show you how you can do a half up, half down with a bow in the back. So let's get into this video. Okay, to start this tutorial, I usually have my hair parted in the front like this. I usually have 2 strands out just to add some type of detail to it, but you don't have to have 2 strands out if you don't want to. And I grab a good section of hair, pull it back. Okay, so I hope you guys can see this, that it's just in a ponytail right now, and I'm going to tie it up that way. So as soon as you have your hair like in the tie, you are going to go with that second loop, and you are going to make a type of man bun type of, I don't know, type of look, like a man bun thing, which should be like a little bun like that. And then you are going to start separating your hair evenly to the sides and start stretching them out to make that bow type of look. Like that, you are going to do that. And then you are going to take these end bottoms right here, and usually I start to twist it so that it doesn't unravel throughout the day. And then I take the middle, and I push it down into the bow. It's kind of hard to do. Ow! Okay. And then I have this end tail right here, and then I have this end tail right here, and usually I split this just like that so that it could be like 2 ribbons hanging down of the bow. I'm trying to fix my bow right quick. It doesn't feel right. And then you can just position it the way that you would like it. Usually I try to push the hair in so that I can give that bow like look of it instead of it going so far out. And yeah. It's so cute. It's giving Hello Kitty. She is that girl. Okay guys, I hope you enjoyed that quick little tutorial of how to do a bow in your hair, and it looks really cute from the side. Okay, but I really hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I will be back with more. Okay, I'll see you guys later. Bye.